In this video, I'm going to give you a full review of ZenBusiness. I'm going to break down the pros, the cons, and share some secret hacks with you that other business owners don't know, but because you follow me, you're going to know. And so if you're ready to make your business legit and get that LLC behind your name, make sure to keep watching. So let me tell you all about ZenBusiness. It was founded back in 2017, which means it's been around for about 6 to 7 years, but it has wasted no time. It has helped over 800,000 small business owners form a business entity. And what's good about ZenBusiness is that they do keep entrepreneurs at the heart of their business model, as they donate money to organizations that support entrepreneurs, and they give out $5,000 every single quarter. And you could be one of those $5,000 winners. I want you to just take a second and imagine what $5,000 of free money that you don't have to pay back would do for your business. Forming an LLC with ZenBusiness can give you that chance. Now let's talk about what type of business entities you can form with ZenBusiness. First, you can form an LLC. An LLC stands for a limited liability company, and this is the preferred business entity for most business owners. And so the true benefit of getting an LLC is that your personal assets, like your house, are legally protected from the debts of your business. It can also help you form a corporation, and this is generally for larger businesses. And then we have S Corp. And so an S Corp is a tax status, not an actual business entity. You want to be making traditionally at least $50,000 in profit before you want to be taxed as an S Corporation. Before you go in though, to file your LLC, there's a few steps that you want to do first. You want to choose a good business name. This should be available across all social media. It also shouldn't have any high risk industries in the name because it could hurt you from getting funding. Once you secure the name, then you also want to secure the domain, and you can get a really affordable domain with Pork Bun. So once you got the business name and domain secured, it's now time to check out virtual addresses. And so some states require you to include a business address in your LLC paperwork. You do not want to put your home address here because your business address is public record. And so if you plan on forming an LLC with ZenBusiness, you do want to get a virtual office. And a little bit later, I'll share with you a video that'll help you choose the best one. But you do want to get a virtual office if you plan on forming your LLC with ZenBusiness. They actually offer 3 packages: the Starter, Pro, and Premium. The Starter is the most affordable package at $0. Then we have the affordable mid-tier package, which is the Pro at $199. And then we have the Premium package that's priced at $299. Let's first break down what's in this starter package. With the $0 starter package, they will file your LLC paperwork for free. And in this case, we'll need the LLC paperwork filed in the state of Kentucky. And so there will be a state fee charge. Unfortunately, we can't escape it, and that will be $40 for Kentucky. Each state has their own fee. It can range anywhere from $40 to $800, which is the price in California. But if you happen to be watching this and you do plan on forming an LLC in California, no worries, as I'm going to share at the end on how you can get at least $500 in free money in addition to the $5,000 that can cover all of these costs. And so with the starter plan, you're getting LLC formation plus their accuracy guarantee. And so this is a nice benefit that ZenBusiness offers, is making sure that if they do make a mistake with your paperwork, they will fix it and make it right. In addition, right now, with their starter plan, they are offering 1 free year of worry-free compliance. If you're new to worry-free compliance, basically what that is that they will help you file 2 amendments or changes to your LLC paperwork. And I know in my first year, I had to make a lot of changes with my business. To give you an example, you might want to change your business name or your business address. And if you do want to make those changes, ZenBusiness can take care of filing that paperwork for you, which is a really nice benefit. And right now, they're offering worry-free compliance in their starter plan for free for the first year. I'm not sure how long they're going to keep this free offer in their starter plan. And so if ZenBusiness sounds right for you, you want to try to get your paperwork going as soon as you can. And so the next package that ZenBusiness offers is the Pro package. Some of the features included with ZenBusiness's Pro package is fresh filing. And so instead of taking about 7 to 10 business days to file your LLC, like in the starter plan, with ZenBusiness's Pro plan, they'll file your paperwork in 1 one business day. And so if you need your LLC filed right away, the Pro or Premium package is a better fit. In addition, with the Pro plan, you are getting worry-free compliance, an operating agreement, and an EIN. I do want to let you know that the operating agreement and EIN you can get done completely for free. If you want a quick step-by-step guide, I have a free LLC checklist that walks you through everything and that you can access in the description below. Then we have the Premium plan. This is where you're going to get the most amount of features that ZenBusiness has to offer. And so included in the Premium plan is access to their AI website builder. You'll also get a custom domain. And so that's a rundown of the 3 plans. I personally would say that there's a lot of value with the Starter and Pro plan. The Pro plan is just a little bit better if you're in a rush and want your LLC filed as soon as possible. So you might be thinking, how does ZenBusiness stack up or compare to other LLC services? I would say if you're looking for an LLC service that has amazing customer service, then ZenBusiness is the best option. To give you a deeper look into their customer service, let's quickly head over to Trustpilot. And so as you see, they have a 4.8 star rating with over 20,000 reviews. And as you see through the positive reviews, they mention customer service reps by name. And so if you are looking for a LLC service that goes above and beyond to deliver you a great experience, ZenBusiness is the option for you. But at the same time, it's not perfect. Let me tell you about the first con about ZenBusiness. And so when you do compare it to other LLC services, it can get a little bit expensive. And so ZenBusiness does charge $199 for both its registered agent services and its worry-free compliance. And so you can get worry-free compliance free for the first year, but after that first year, you do have to pay $199. And so that can be a pretty expensive cost as you're trying to grow your business. And so I would mark on your calendar to expect this charge so that you're not surprised when you see your credit card bill. Another drawback about ZenBusiness is that if you do go for the more affordable plan, you could wind up paying additional money for operating agreement. But because you follow me, you know you can get those steps done for free. But they will ask you if you want to pay an additional charge for ZenBusiness to take care of it for you. And besides those 2 drawbacks, I would say overall, ZenBusiness is a great formation company. And what makes them even better is that they do give out a $5,000 grant, which makes ZenBusiness stand out from the other services because $5,000 is a lot of money and can make a really big difference in your business. If you had a moment, it'd be really great to hear what you would do with $5,000 if you were to win this grant. And so in order to win the $5,000 grant, there's 3 requirements you need to meet. First, you do need to be over the age of 18. Secondly, you do need to form a private entity with ZenBusiness and have the business based in the US. And third, you need to have formed your LLC within the past 3 to 6 months, as ZenBusiness is reviewing grant applications every single quarter. And so if you meet those requirements, you are eligible to apply to this grant. And every person that forms their LLC with ZenBusiness should apply to this grant, as this is $5,000 of free money that you don't have to pay back. And this grant early on in your business can help you get other grants and funding in the future. In addition to applying to this $5,000 grant, there's a few more steps that you can do to help you get the cost of this LLC formation covered. And that is opening up business checking accounts. And so Truist is running a $400 promotion right now where they will give out $400 of free cash money to business owners that open up a checking account with them. Plus, you can get a $50 bonus when you open up a business checking account with Relay. And so I personally recommend for all business owners that you have at least 2 business checking accounts. Because in the world of business, there's always things changing, and sometimes banks want to flag accounts for suspicious activity. And so just in case, you want a backup business checking account that you can access if your primary account doesn't work. And so these 2 accounts offer really good bonuses. But I'm not done yet. You can also get a $100 bonus with Capital on Tap. And so Capital on Tap is a business credit card that does not do a hard pull on your personal credit. And so if you want to maintain your personal credit and get a business credit card. Capital on Tap is where you want to go. And through my special link, you can get a $100 bonus. And so if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. And so now you got the keys to not only set up your business with ZenBusiness, but also get over $500 in cash bonuses to cover the cost of LLC formation. I thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out this video right here to get the best virtual office for your business.